It is time to create the chair wheels. Okay, just before we started, I just refined my model a little bit. So if you see a little bit changes, just I refine it, because in the video I don't want to do so much refining and spend so much time. So now it's time to create the wheels. I need to create one wheels first. I will use a cylinder and actually the radius of the 4 sorry 2 centimeter, because it's the radius, so the total is 4, and the height of the 4, and for better work I will try to make the layers. I select these two, add them to the one layer and make them as a seat. One we have back seat, one has a seat, so just all in the same name group, and hide them. And this one I create it as here is okay as a default for now, so I make it at the 0 point also. Okay, so the cap segment I don't need, the height segment 1 should be enough, or 4, yes I will use the 4. So what I should to do the next is converting it to the editable poly. You can actually what I'm doing now is creating all the wheels with the one object. You can use the two objects too. So first see what I am doing. Just I believe this should be quite closer, something like this. Or something like this one. I will select almost half of this side. So select the edges and ring them, hold down the control and click on the polygon selected. Then from here I can hold on the alt and click and drag to let the bottom part be deselected. Now I will bevel this part. I always make all of them 0, then I will start to change them. So make sure you are using the local normal, and I need it very small value, and maybe 1 is too much, 0.1, the outline also 0.1. Okay, and apply this. The next one I don't want have an outline, so it will be actually just some kind of the extrude, and okay. Now I need to select this around, so again back to the edges, click here to select and ring, so it will start to selecting whole around of this part, and hold down the control and click on the polygon. I don't want the actually these two part, the one side at the, and also this is already deselected. Okay, these two and these two I don't want to be selected. Now I will extrude this. I will extrude this almost with the wheel, maybe 3.5 is so much, maybe 1.8 or 1.4. Okay, 1.4 is okay, a little bit less than the wheels, and I will apply this. Then I need, for having the more edges, I will do it again with 0.1. Okay, then select the polygon at the center and inset them one time, apply it, and actually I don't want to be much, maybe not 5.5, maybe 0.8 or zero point 0.7, because our value is so small. That's why I try to type the numbers, and I want to type the right value, the unique values. Okay, so I will okay it. I need to extrude these two in, extrude them maybe minus half, and after this I can delete these two because I don't need them. Delete them, select the edges around, hit the loop to select all. I need to chamfer them. To have a very good chamfer, I put the actually two segments, and okay this, and I want to see what is the result until now, so I will apply the turbo smooth, isolate, and this is not so bad, right? Well, you can actually deselect this part from the wheel, but I don't want to do this. I think because it is so a small part of the chair, so it is okay. And this chair is not one unique chair, it's actually two chairs. So again, back to my polygons and select these two. Well, I can actually use the edges to select all, and if I push the ring, it will actually select the top part, so it could be quite difficult to separate. So I will just manually click all of them, click on them and select all of them, and then I will extrude them. Again, make sure it is the local. One time I will extrude them just minus 0.01, or actually 0 point is so less, 0.5. Apply it, then let it go inside as much as I want. Apply it, then again minus 0.05, and okay. Apply the turbo smooth. So it is what we have been created until now. I said again, you can actually delete these faces between these two parts to make them two separated parts, but I prefer to use like this. So in the next chapter I will continue working on the chair and the rest of the working on the wheels and rest of the chair.